Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a beautiful blue butterfly named Bella. Bella had wings as bright as the summer sky, and wherever she flew, she brought a touch of magic to the forest. The animals loved Bella because she was kind and always had a cheerful smile. One sunny morning, Bella fluttered near a sparkling lake in the middle of the forest. The lake was calm and clear, and the trees around it stood tall and proud. Bella loved to visit the lake because it was her favorite place to rest and enjoy the beauty of nature. As Bella hovered over a flower near the water, she noticed something unusual. A young fox was sitting by the lake, looking sad. His fur was orange and shiny, but his eyes were filled with worry. Bella decided to fly closer and see what was wrong. "Hello," Bella said in her soft, sweet voice. "Why do you look so sad?" The fox looked up and saw Bella. He was surprised to see such a beautiful butterfly talking to him. "Oh, hello," he replied. "My name is Felix. I'm feeling lonely. I don't have any friends in the forest." Bella's heart felt heavy for Felix. "Don't worry, Felix," she said. "I will be your friend. We can spend time together, and you won't feel lonely anymore." Felix's eyes lit up with happiness. "Really? You will be my friend?" "Of course," Bella said. "Friends help each other and share happy moments. Let's explore the forest together." From that day on, Bella and Felix became best friends. They spent their days playing by the lake, running through the forest, and enjoying the sunshine. Bella showed Felix the most beautiful flowers, and Felix shared his favorite spots under the trees where they could rest and talk. One day, while they were walking near the lake, Felix asked Bella, "Why are you so kind to me? I'm just a fox, and you are a magical butterfly. We are so different." Bella smiled and said, "It doesn't matter if we are different. Friendship is about caring for each other and being kind. You make me happy, Felix, and I hope I make you happy too." Felix nodded. "You do make me happy, Bella. You are the best friend I could ever have." As the seasons changed, Bella and Felix's friendship grew stronger. In the spring, they admired the blooming flowers together. In the summer, they enjoyed the warm sunshine by the lake. In the autumn, they played in the colorful falling leaves. And in the winter, they stayed close to keep each other company during the cold days. One winter morning, Bella noticed that the forest animals were struggling to find food because the snow covered everything. Bella and Felix decided to help. "We should share what we have with others," Bella said. Felix agreed. He used his sharp nose to find berries and nuts hidden under the snow, and Bella flew around to tell the other animals where to find the food. Together, they made sure everyone in the forest had enough to eat. The animals were very grateful. "Thank you, Bella and Felix," they said. "You are not only friends to each other but also to all of us." Bella and Felix felt happy to help. They realized that true friendship is about sharing and caring, not just with each other but with everyone around them. As the years went by, Bella and Felix continued to live in the forest near the lake. They grew older, but their friendship never faded. They were always there for each other, no matter what. One evening, as the sun set over the lake, Felix looked at Bella and said, Thank you for being my friend, Bella. You have taught me the true meaning of kindness and love." Bella smiled and replied, "And thank you, Felix, for being my friend. You have shown me the joy of sharing life with someone special." From that day forward, Bella and Felix promised to stay friends forever. They knew that their friendship was a treasure, more precious than anything else in the world.